So now we actually have many teams which are maintaining a very close vigil on the activities in both the constituencies. Then of course dry day has been declared, as you are aware, starting from 5 o'clock yesterday in the evening, which will last till midnight tomorrow, and also on the day of counting, which is the 28th. You are already aware that there are 30 polling stations in Panjim and there are 46 polling stations in Valpoi. There are the critical polling stations. There are 6 of them in Panjim. There are no critical polling stations per se in Valpoi, but certain remote constituencies we are maintaining an extra vigil by putting micro observers there, though they are not critical. We don't have any vulnerable polling stations as per our assessment in either of the constituency.
In Panjim alone, since yesterday night, we had around 8 places where nakabandis were held by CPMF as well as the local staff. Similarly, in Valpoi, we have a strict double-layer nakabandi at the Keri outpost, as well as nakabandis have been strengthened all over the constituency there. We have approximately 450 police personnel from the Goa police alone, approximately 200 police personnel from the IRBN, and 3 companies of CPMF that are taking care of all the security measures pertaining to these elections.
ऑगस्टच्या येता 23 तारखेक वाळपय आनी पणजे ह्या 2 मतदार क्षेत्रांनी पोटनिवडणूक जावपाची आसा. मतदार यंत्रणांनी सगळी तयारी केल्ली आसा. आमची सगळ्या कडेन माये मोगाची मागणें की सगळ्या मतदारांनी भायर सरचे आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात मतदान करचें म्हणून, आनी ह्या महोत्सवात तुमी सहभागी जावचे.
पणजेत बीजेपीचो मनोहर पर्रीकार, काँग्रेसीचो गिरीश चोडणकार, जीएसएमाचो आनंद शिरोडकार आनी अपक्ष केनेथ सिल्वेरा उबो रावला. जाल्यार वाळपयत बीजेपीचो विश्वजीत राणे, काँग्रेसीचो रॉय रवी नायक, अपक्ष रोहिदास गांवकार उबो रावल्या. वेंचणूक आयोगान एक्झिट पोलाक बंदी घाल्या. वाळपयत वट्ट 26,094 मतदार आसात. पणजे वट्ट 22,203 मतदार आसात. मनोहर पर्रीकाराक जागो करून दिवंक सिद्धार्थ कुंकळेकारान आमदारकी सोडली. पणजे फाटल्या 5.5 वर्सांत आमदारकेचें 4थें इलेक्शन. वाळपय 6 म्हयन्यां भितर दुसरें. दोनूय मतदारसंघांची मतमेजणी पणजे यशस्वीत जातली. वेंचणुकेचो निकाल 4थी उपरांत 28 तारखेर. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.